You know, there's so many uses for power poles, but many of them, obviously, when you think about the use of it, is in fishing applications. For a northern walleye angler, the drift paddle is just a phenomenal tool. Whether you're trolling spinners real slow in big waves, maybe you're rigging structure and it's really windy out and you just want to slow your drift down. Now, the original use for a power pole when it was designed is obviously the anchor portion of it. Being able to go up to a shallow pot of fish and be extremely silent, using that pole to anchor your boat and stay in one spot where you can attack those fish. But I think a very overlooked feature, and basically it's something that we use a ton of with the power pole, is simply around docking. It's what a lot of people don't really think of using that, especially because in our walleye boats we only have one. But what I will do often is I'll have a rope tied off the front of my boat on a cleat, tied to the dock, but actually use for the back of the boat the power pole to anchor the boat and keep everything away from the dock. So I'm simply just tying up the boat off the front, using the power pole on the back, and what that does is no matter what the wind direction, it'll keep the boat situated exactly where you want to have it situated. So this is a great tool to use specifically if you're fishing by yourself, because you can have your lanyard with the power pole remote attached to your neck. So as soon as you tie up off the front, you put the pole down in the back and your boat's safe and sound, so you can go get your truck and load your boat up. So not only fishing applications, but the power pole does things for you and helps you out on simple occasions, such as using it right by the docks. Pretty cool accessory you can put on your boats.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.